What's going on, guys? Back at it again, another video. Hit subscribe button, like, comment, and share, and all that good stuff. And in this video, I got this push-up board that just came in the mail today. Now, disclaimer, I like to make sure to be transparent about everything I do. Of course, you can build your chest muscle just by doing regular push-up. Whether you do it in the correct way, bad way, if you do enough push-ups, you're gonna get some type of gains no matter what. However, this exercise equipment is proclaiming that you can practically do a full upper body workout just by doing this alone. So me, I'm very skeptical. So I'm gonna see this legit or not. So I'm gonna test it out, do a couple of workouts with this, and I'm gonna let you guys know if this legit or this is a scam. Stay tuned. So my first impression of this, I love this. This is great material. You can take this, you can fold it, and you can carry it, and it's super light. Also, it comes with these handles. How you put it in, it's pretty simple. It's some little grooves right here. All you gotta do is put it right here. Snug in, bam, that's it, done, easy. Also, how to do the workouts is pretty self-explanatory. So, as you can see, it's color coordinated. Shoulders, red, triceps, green, back, yellow, blue, chest. And how you put them in is pretty simple. They're good quality nuts. All you gotta do is bam, bam, push up, push up. Come out right here, one shoulder, bam, bam. And then for back, you're gonna do the yellow with the blue. So it's telling you that it affects the chest, the back and the chest as well too, because you're hitting the yellow and the blue. So I'm gonna do a quick demonstration and I'm gonna see if this is a highly effective thing to use. And like I said, is this a scam or it's legit? So let's do a demonstration of this right now. So I'm gonna give you guys my live feedback of the push-up board as I do. I'm gonna do 10 push-ups each one, and then also give you a live reaction whether the transitions are smooth, and also am I getting a real burn of these workouts. So I'm gonna start with the triceps. So I'm gonna do 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The triceps is decent. I feel a little still on my shoulders, and also a little triceps too. These are kind of hard to get out. This is kind of good or bad depending on how you feel about it. So I'm gonna do the shoulders. Speaking of shoulders, the red ones stand in, they go in pretty well. So let's do another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Definitely feel my shoulders in this one. Man, these things are hard to get out. All right, now next one. What's the next one I gotta do? Back. Let's do back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Definitely feeling my back. Definitely feel a little burn on my back. What's the next one? Any other hybrid ones? I think I did all of them already. Oh, my chest. I forgot the blue one, obviously. Let's do chest. Oh, chest can't be chest. This is chest. Let's do chest. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Definitely feel my chest. I feel it more on the outskirts of my chest. I feel like right here. So if I rate this on a scale of 1 to 10, I would say for the cost, paying under $20 for this, pretty good. You could probably do a lot of this stuff on your own. However, this is good for like if you're a beginner and you're trying to just get different variations of your push-ups and stuff like that. I say this is good to get. Very light, compact. Also, I think you can bring it to the gym. I think that'd be good. But also, if you want to take it outside and do other ones. But I think personally, I know you got 12 in one. You can probably do 3 of these push-ups, 3 of these, just to get you squared away. So I like it. I'm not gonna say this is a scam. Definitely say you should get this one if you are a beginner. But if you're trying to be a real bodybuilder, I'm lying. If you're trying to be a bodybuilder, or if you already real developed on this, I can say you can just go do this regular. You can do this right here instead. You can just do regular diamonds. You can just do regular diamonds for chest. You know what I'm saying? Or you just do regular wide grip push-ups. stuff like that. I think the back one's pretty good because I don't really know too many of the back ones, but you can just do regular other workouts for that too. But I do like this, and it's good quality. Highly recommend you guys get it. So I got the link in the descriptions below. You guys check that out. Hit the subscribe button and I'm out. Go.